Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about a build I'm going to do on a 24 KTM 350 XCWF. We just got this bike and I've been wanting to build one of these 350s for a while. I've already kind of started on it just a little bit. I pulled off some of the stuff, the hosing and the pump that captures the vapors. It's not really a true anti-pollution system. It's just this little vacuum pump here that pulls the fumes out of the fuel tank and recycles them through a charcoal canister that's in the down tube of the frame. I see no need for that for what I do. I think that if we're trying to solve the pollution in the world, we've got a lot bigger fish to fry than that. So I'm removing that just to clean things up. It's just another thing that can fail out on the trail. All right, so I'll show you all the, show you the goodies that come with the bike. And make sure you get these when you buy a new bike. So they should come with there should be a box with a couple of Ziploc bags in there that have these lever covers and these lever bolts. And you really want these lever bolts because, let's see if I can zoom in here. These are very expensive. I don't remember exactly what they cost, but it seemed like they're like 15 bucks a piece or something. I don't know. They're really, really pricey. It comes with that reflector, which I'm not using. And then it comes with the parts and pieces to remove the smog stuff. So this is for the lambda sensor, and then these are a couple of dongles to replace, to plug into the harness whenever you remove the system. These are just rubber caps. There was 3 of them. I already used 2 of them. Comes with a couple of fuel filters. This is a kickstand bolt. Anyhow, those are the parts and pieces that come in the kit. And then over here, I'll show you what I'm going to install. All right, down here on the left, I'm going to do some changing of the plastic. I want to get rid of that white right there on the side panels. So I'm going to change the side panels, I'm going to change the shrouds, put the cool Slavens graphic kit on it. And some different handlebars from the guys at ODI. I believe they hooked us up with those. I'm sorry, I should have taken these out of the package. Those are, I don't remember the name of this company. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. These guys, cross-linked. They make really nice, super heavy-duty swing arm guards. We sell a ton of those things. They're very popular. Here are the Molecule hand guards, which I love. FMF 4.1, and it's going to get this quiet insert put in it. Rear disc guard from Bulletproof. We love Bulletproof products. The guys over there are great. Radius clutch from Recluse. I won't hardly even ride a bike anymore without a Recluse in it. Radiator guards, some different grips. Guys at K-Tech hooked us up with some stuff to try. So I've got shock body. Looks like it's hard anodized. I'll have to read up on that. I really don't know much about it. If it is hard anodized, that's going to make the oil last a lot longer. And then this is a kit for the forks. This is a kit for the shocks. It's a piston with shims. And then I've got one of the best products here is the Get SX1 Pro. So this is the latest generation that has the cool map switch, the new Wi-Fi, and all the new firmware and software, plus our own maps that we've developed for low elevation and high elevation. Over here, I've got a pipe guard. Sorry, Ronnie, that's not a very good display. That's from E-Line. Got a Voyager Pro down here and a guard. And XC handguard mounts, or handlebar mounts. I love those. They really take the shock out of the trail trash. Makes it a lot easier on your hands, wrists, elbows, shoulders. Excellent product. And what's missing right at the moment, I think there's a couple of items. But one of them is, excuse me here if I don't fall down. is a a molecule skid plate, and then a different seat. Got to get rid of this orange board. So, guys, the build's begun. I'll keep you updated as we go along here. Stay tuned. And please like us on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to us on YouTube. And give us a shout out whenever you can. Stop by the store, and I hope to see you out getting some throttle therapy. That's all for now.